Hi guys, Jeff here from TaT. Just want to release the prize we're giving away for our September draw. For any member that uploads any good scope scan data or any repair solutions, you go into the draw for this great prize. And again, thanks to Burston's Auto Parts, supplying us a number of presents, but this particular prize this month is the Autel Advanced Tyre Pressure Monitoring System Service Tablet. So great little device, Bluetooth from your dongle, straight to this. Vehicle identification, so through your VIN or through a QR code you can identify the exact vehicle, make and model. It'll then identify what types of sensors are in the car, tyre pressure monitoring sensors, etc. So a great little tool for tyre pressure monitoring systems. So a great prize for September. So if you've ever been keen to upload some good scope scan data or a repair solution, this would be a great month to do it, to go into this great prize. So again, big thanks again to Burston Auto Parts. If you're looking to buy one of these, go to Burston Auto Parts for all your Autel equipment. This is certainly one great piece of a kit in the tyre pressure monitoring system. So go in the draw and hopefully you'll be lucky during the month of September. See you next time.